Hello everyone, welcome to Beyond One Way. Today we're making roasted chicken thighs with potatoes that are juicy and flavorful. The best part is this dish does not need additional butter or oil. Let's get started. Start with 1 pound of skin on bone chicken thighs. Remove the bone but leave the skin on. This chicken skin is the fat source that's part of the reasons this dish is juicy and flavorful. Take the skin off later when eating if you are watching your fat intake. Make sure you rinse and pat the chicken thighs dry. Now let's make the cilantro marinade with a half bunch of cilantro, including the stems. The cilantro stems have the most flavor, so use them whenever you can. Place the cilantro, balsamic vinegar, chopped garlic, cayenne pepper, and kosher salt in a chopper. Then add a little water to make this flavorful cilantro marinade. Cover every part of chicken thighs with the marinade and set them aside while working on the potatoes. Here is about 10 mini potatoes. If you use large potatoes, that's about 1.5 cups of small potato chunks. Poke holes in each of the mini potatoes, then cover with a damp paper towel and cook them in the microwave for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until they are soft enough for you to easily cut them in half. Mix the potatoes with some rosemary and chopped garlic. I know the potatoes look dry right now, but it's okay. For now, we're just adding flavor to the potatoes. They will become tender and moist after being baked. I promise. Place the potatoes onto a foil-lined baking pan with the cut side down. The foil will help to clean up easier, but definitely not required. Arrange the potatoes closely to each other so the chicken thighs can lay flat on top of the potatoes. As the chicken thighs bake in the oven, the cilantro marinade and the oil rendered from the chicken skin will baste the potatoes underneath to keep them tender, moist, and flavorful. Bake these in a preheated oven at 425 degrees for 30 minutes, then take them out of the oven. See the oil that is from baking the chicken thighs with the skin on? This chicken oil is enough to make these chicken and potatoes moist, flavorful, and delicious. Brush this chicken oil onto the chicken thighs and put them back in the oven and broil for 5 minutes. Aren't they beautiful? Can you tell they are tender and juicy? The chicken is full of that cilantro flavor with a little kick from the cayenne pepper. And these potatoes are soft and tender. You definitely can tell that this delicious dish is made without any additional butter or oil. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. Happy eating and see you next time.